We're gonna place a flower at the slaughterhouse right here. We'll place the flower. Go ahead and place the flower right here. I want the slaughterhouse to know that I do not condone the murder of animals, the harm of animals, and the violence of animals. I place this flower at the slaughterhouse, cleaning my hands of any bloodshed, cleaning my hands of any evil. This place is evil. This place is murder of animals. And I place this flower on behalf of all the victims that were murdered in this place. Shame on this place. Shame on the customers. Shame on you murdering animals. You are evil. I hope this place gets shut down. Shame on you people. This is absolute murder. And I clean my hands. Clean my hands of this murder, this death house of innocent animals. I will not be a part of this. I want the God of the universe to know that I do not condone this place. I am not part of this place. No, this place is evil. They murder innocent animals. And that's unethical and that's wrong. And that's got to stop. Thou shalt not kill. So I'm going to place this flower at this death house, this concentration camp, and move on to the next murdering death house. There's the flower. I do not condone this place. This is murder.